Yo, what's up everyone? My name is C7 Egypt.
C7 Oryak.
And I'm Roxanne.
Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and mag-ingat po kayo palagi. God bless you. See you soon!
Egypt, I saw your touch. Bakit mo kabisado yun?
Hindi ko siya kabisado.
Gumanon ka pa nga eh.
Nakikita ko lang from TikTok. I just learned it by watching. So, it's gonna be good.
O, di ba kabisado niya? Touch.
Ay, ito nga, tama ka.
Oh, shake that booty.
Hello, pinagkalitan kami ngayon. Bata ka pa pala. Oh, hold your vlog. No!
Yung may shadow. I shades.
Oh my God.
We're going home.
Yes.
Where's your kulot brother?
Ayun o.
Saan na gagawin natin ngayon, guys?
We're gonna go home and...
No, we're not.
we're gonna go somewhere else. Sa...
Ninang-ninang na.
Yeah. And I'm gonna be there.
Yes.
Kasi ka-family ko na sila.
Anong interview mo?
안녕하세요. 저는 가르입니다.
Isa na yun.
Hi, my name is CJ Black and SC and I am...
Chinese.
니하오.
Ni hao ma.
니하오 치. 아, konnichiwa.
Ay, Japanese yun.
Wait lang.
Ni hao.
konnichiwa.
Hindi ka marunong mag-Chinese na, di ba?
American Chinese.
Okay, let's go. Say bye-bye. So guys, wala na yung ibang members. I'm only with C7 Joey, C7 Egypt, C7 Cairo, and C7 Al. We're in the car. Okay, so guys, ang question natin for today is, ano yung pinaka-interesting or favorite gift nyo na nakuha nyo ngayon sa SMR Lab?
Hindi siya ngayon.
Ako, may gusto ko ngayon. Diyan ko lang.
Wow!
Guys, wait. Pwede pa ito mo to.
Okay. Wow!
I got two. And
Suitcase from Horizon, from
it's
Ate
from
Bianca.
Bianca.
Thank you,
Bianca
Ate
Manaloto.
Bianca.
Tingnan nyo, itong isa is